Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, we are going to see how to reduce the flabby arm and tone it. Flabby arms becomes very difficult when you want to wear sleeveless dresses. Sleeveless tops and sleeveless dresses and anything sleeveless. You feel very odd if you have a flabby arm. You actually want a toned arm. You don't have to be thin. You don't have to be slim to wear a sleeveless. All you need is a toned arm, a perfectly toned arm. You can be overweight or middleweight or thin. All you need is just a perfectly toned arm. That's exactly what we are going to learn today. I get it. I totally get it. You're busy, you have kids, you have work, you have family. Especially when you have kids, it gets very, very difficult to go to the gym, to spend time in the gym for half an hour or 1 hour or whatever it is. But thankfully, you don't need to go to gym to get fabulously toned arms. You can do it perfectly at home, at your own time, at your own pace. You can do it. I'm going to show you how you can do it. You can do this in 15 days. You will see the results in just 15 days if you do the repetitions what I'm doing. I'll show you how to do it. Let's say goodbye to the flabby arms. Before we start our arm exercises, I need to tell you something. Some of you may know it already, but anyway, let's do it. This part, the front of your arm, this is called bicep, yeah? And the back of your arm, this side here, this is called tricep. You can see for yourself which part is bigger, which part makes your arm. See, this is only 1/4 of your arm, your bicep is. Whereas your tricep it forms 3/4 of your arm. So if you want a toned arm, you have to mainly concentrate on the tricep. Many people I see in the gym or outside in the park, they do arm exercises. They only concentrate on the gym, lifting weights, bicep curls and things. They're only working out their bicep. What they're ignoring is the bigger part, which is tricep. We need to be very smart in working out the tricep. If you work out the tricep more, you'll get the toned arm very, very quick and very easily. That's exactly what we are going to follow. We are going to do a smart way. You need to do these exercises regularly for 15 days. You will see excellent results. The repetitions of these exercises are very important. They are very simple workouts. You don't need any equipments to do this. So let's get started. Get a bottle of water if you need. So you don't need to take 2 long breaks during this workout with me. And you can also pause the video for 2 minutes and change into loose and comfortable clothing if you want. So we are going to begin. Before we start our exercises, first we are going to stretch our arms. So interlock your fingers like this and raise your hands above your head. Your palms has to be facing upwards, the sky. And your arm shouldn't be like this. Keep it very close to your ears. This gives a nice, great stretch to the back of your arms. Keep it like this for 30 seconds. Arms down. So the first exercise is going to be, we are going to swing our arms. Make sure your legs are hip width apart. Just measure out with your foot, just 1 foot apart. And raise both your hands up and bring them down. We are going to do 20 repetitions of them. So what we are doing is, we are building mobility in our shoulders and really working your arms here. When you raise your arms, breathe in, and when you bring them down, breathe out. The fact that you are and doing this exercise with me proves you are 1 step ahead, closer to being stronger, having more mobility in your upper body and a very toned arms. Now shake your arms a little bit. The next exercise we are going to do is arm circles. This exercise is going to target your triceps, your biceps and your shoulder as well. Open your arms just like this and we are going to do little circles. You're going to burn fat if you do it right. You're definitely going to feel it in your shoulder and arms. Also, keep your body straight when you do these circles. Do it 10 times forward rotations and 10 times reverse rotations. And then take a break for 30 seconds, then do 10 forward and 10 reverse rotations again. As I said, the repetitions are very important to lose the fat in your arm. I know a lot of us women have problem in our upper body. These exercises don't require any equipments and don't require too much of your time as well. You can do them anytime you want. You can do it pretty much anywhere, at home, at work, on your lunch break, even when you take your kids to the park. You can do it pretty much anywhere, as I said. And now this is my favorite exercise. All you need is a chair. You're going to do tricep dips. Sit in a chair first. Pretty easy, right? Now grip the edge of the seat with your hands and stretch your legs out in front of you. Move your body forward so that your feet are flat. Just look what I'm doing here. Your arms are bent behind you, holding you up, and your body is extended above the ground. Slowly raise and lower your body using your arm strength. Do 15 repetitions of this. This exercise is called tricep dip. It works the tricep like crazy. I told you tricep makes most part of our arm. So if you want to get rid of your arm flab and if you want a very sculptured toned arms, then this is a very important exercise for you. Do 15 repetitions and then take 30 seconds rest. Then do another set of 15 reps. So we are doing 2 sets of 15 repetitions each. Your arm is going to hurt a little tomorrow. You'll be alright after a day. The next time when you do it, it will not pain at all. Remember, you're getting stronger. Now the fourth exercise is we are going to push the wall. Make sure it's a strong wall because we women, we are stronger than we think we are. Face a wall, standing a little farther than arm's length away, feet shoulder width apart. Lean your body forward and put your palms flat against the wall at shoulder height and shoulder width apart. Now bend your elbows and lower your upper body toward the wall in a slow, controlled motion. Keep your feet flat on the floor while you do this. Then slowly push yourself back until your arms are straight. Repeat this for 15 times. Rest for 30 seconds and do another set of 15 reps. You can do this exercise anywhere, at work or at home. These push-ups will strengthen your arms, shoulders and chest. You can do this exercise even during a TV commercial break. The fifth exercise we are going to do is we are going to rotate our arms. This will strengthen your upper arm, your neck and your shoulder. Let's rotate our right arm first. Rotate it forward for 20 times and then let's reverse the rotation. Repeat this for another 20 times. Rest for 30 seconds and repeat it on the other arm. In this windmill exercise, the repetitions you're doing are very important to get rid of your flabby arm. Creating toned arm muscles without using weights takes your absolute commitment. But by doing these simple exercises 4 to 5 times a week, combined with a very healthy and nutritious diet, your arm muscles will take on a long, lean, toned look that will have you reaching for your favorite sleeveless dress. If you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up and stay connected by subscribing to my channel as I've got a variety of weight loss recipes and step-by-step exercises in my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.